Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change to Apple Maps on the Dasher app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that every time you navigate on Dasher app, you want to go ahead and use Apple Maps. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Dasher app. Next, click on the three lines on the top left-hand corner, then click on Account, then click on App Settings. Then on this page here, scroll down, and you're going to see Navigation Service. Click on Apple Maps, and then click on Turn off in-app navigation. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change to Apple Maps on the Dasher app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.